Hi, welcome to Taco Chef. Today we're going to make Dauphinoise potatoes, and this is a classic French potato dish you're going to enjoy. For this we are going to need 6 or 7 medium-sized potatoes, little butter to coat this pan, salt, pepper, garlic, and our white sauce, little jalapeno to give a kick, and of course nutmeg, which will flavor the potato flavoring. Okay, so to start with, this is our white sauce, which I have added some milk to it, and I'm going to add all this salt, this pepper, this garlic paste, okay, and some dash of nutmeg to get a nice flavor for the potatoes. And mix this all together, stir this all together. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to cut the potatoes in thin slices. Okay, it is very important that you cut these potatoes all in nice even slices, since we are going to line this pan, and this is how you need to cut all your 7 potatoes. Once you peel the potatoes, you wash them, and after that you're not supposed to wash them again because we want to retain all the starch. Now to start with the Dauphinoise potatoes, this is a small pan which I've taken. You need a pan which is about this size, not very thick, not very thin, and then you rub this butter all the way properly at the end, at the base, so the butter will let the browning of the potatoes at the bottom. Then you line these potatoes properly like this all through the pan, and all your potatoes are cut. That's how you're gonna line it. Okay, so you line one layer of these potatoes. Now to give this some kick, I'm gonna add some jalapeno here, and then you can add your cream, a little bit of it. This is the white sauce with all the good stuff that we added. Now again, layer your other potatoes back again like this all the way, about 3-4 layers, and this is how you're gonna layer all this in all the way to the end. Okay, so now again we put another layer, put nice sauce on it, the white sauce, and we can come up with another one layer, put some jalapeno, and then we again add another layer to it. Okay, so we put all the layers. These are about 6-7 potatoes, and now I'm gonna top it all with this sauce. Okay, so drain it all the way, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least, just watch it, at least 45 minutes till the potatoes are nice and clean when it come out. Okay, so now our preheated oven is at 350, and I'm putting on bake, and the timer is set at 40. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven, open like this, and just check on it after 30 minutes for sure. Okay guys, now to taste our Dauphinoise potatoes, another vegan recipe. Here we go, let's try it. It just looks like a potato cake to me. Oh wow. This is a great combination for steaks, and you can eat it with some nice sauce or anything, really nice and tasty. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Taco Chef channel. Follow us on social media, and also subscribe to our tacochef.com blog. Happy cooking!